Hey everyone, happy Saturday, June 17th. It's John. I am at the West Michigan Mustang Club All Ford show. It's in Plainfield, which is a suburb of Grand Rapids. And I'm going to check out some cars here. Had kind of a crummy day. There's a big SUV. Had a storm last night and it's really humid. And not all the water has dried up yet, so I'm sure that's going to affect the show's turnout, but we're gonna probably take some photos and video here anyways. I'm all decked out in my Ford gear, and I should be working on my car, but I'm gonna check out some Mustangs anyways, so here goes. This guy's got my wheels. These wheels look awesome on there. We have Goodrich 235/45 ZR17. Oh, that's nice. Same on the back. Alright. Whew. Like that. Radials on the back. Four deuces. Sweet. If you have a Skyliner of any kind, this is how it should be shown, because that is the coolest thing ever. If you've never seen one of these, it's a retractable hardtop, and the whole thing lifts up, comes back into the hood, trunk, sets down, and then this closes over it. Whew. I want a 57. This is a 58 or 9. $59.
The guy is so
it's cool. Here's one you don't see every day. It's a Mercury Comet GT. It's in really good shape. Color is great.
It's driven quite a bit. We took her up north. 2 weeks after we bought it, we went on vacation to the UP, and we had this thing packed full of camping gear.
You can get a lot in them if you pick right, can't you? Yeah. Yeah.
We love it.
Like I said, it's a pretty disappointing turnout, so I'll just give you a once around of the late model cars. I love Fox bodies, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time on them. Those are my favorite wheels on the Fox body right there. That looks really sharp. I love the color too. Got some Mustang 2s over here. And we're headed up to that way where the 64 to 66 cars are. I'm going to take you guys down the Class B 64 to 66 cars. Billy, I need to talk to you because I'm starting to want one of these. I like yours with the little chrome mesh on the front, so I need to talk to you about that. This is Night Mist Blue. This is the original color on my car, and I'm probably not going to go that way this time, but it really is a nice color. hubcaps I had on my car when I got it. And these are the wheels that I had on my car before I took it apart. In fact, I had a white vinyl top, blue car with those wheels. So. That's pretty.
I drive an old Ford GT convertible.
Yeah.
My husband got a 69 Mustang.
Oh, does he?
Yeah. We got 5
Here we get out of that. Spurt. Class C. Those are in high demand right now.
Really?
No,
Yeah, yeah. Right.
It's hot. This color. This might be the color. Guys. Might be it.
Absorb some of that, and it's a good thing I did. Otherwise, as it was, no broken glass, even the
Probably pay for college. One could probably pay for both kids' college. Alright, this is the other color I'm interested in. It's got some metallic to it. Sorry?
white shirt.
Acapulco blue. And then we got some new stuff. Shoot any of the new model stuff, but man, this color is really interesting. I don't know what they call it, but it's a GT350. But look at this color; it's like a primer gray.
They had gotten they had the one they sold earlier in the year for whatever, pretty quick.
It's pretty slick.
Dealerships have never gotten those shelf.
All right, that's all I'm gonna put on this video. I'm gonna keep it kind of short. I'm gonna go check out the parts vendors. All right, thanks for watching.